Hello, good morning. Hello, hi, good morning to all of you. Hi, hello, good morning to all of you. Okay. Good morning. Okay. In the meantime, when people are joining, you do few questions. 1 minute. Sir, you tell your number sometimes.
Mine. For the 637156.
Hello, good morning. Okay. In the meantime, when people are joining, you can practice few questions. Okay. So let others join. Then we will continue in some time. In the meantime, do few questions. Question: cos of minus 120 degree. Cos of minus 120 degree. Let's see who gives correct answer. Viewers, we started graph. We will continue with graph in some time. In the meantime, you answer it. Cos 120 degree minus 120. No, Kirti, it is wrong. Wrong, wrong, wrong. Wrong. Okay. Yes, Ajay Verma has given correct. Hatatmika now given correct. Okay. Acha, see, I am telling answer. Now you think over it. Answer is minus 1 by 2. Answer is minus 1 by 2, not plus 1 by 2. Yes, good. Answer is minus 1 by 2, not plus 1 by 2. Now, many people have given correct answer. Okay. So, let's apply concept. Okay. So, yesterday I taught you cos of minus theta is equal to plus cos theta. Cos of minus theta equals what? Plus cos theta. So here also cos of minus 120 is equal to plus cos 120. And now I have told you how to find cos 120. 120 degree is a higher angle. How do you find the value of trigonometric ratio for higher angle? You write angle either in the form of sine or in the form of 90 or 270 plus minus theta or 180 or 360 plus minus theta. I am using 90 here. Okay. So here cos 90 plus 30 degree. Now you can see 90 plus 30 is lying in second quadrant. It is lying in which quadrant? Second. As it is lying in second quadrant, in second value of cos will be what? Negative. And as you are using 90 plus something, you are using y-axis. When you use y-axis, ratio gets converted to its complementary. So cos will become sine and you have to paste the same angle 30 degree. Okay. Minus sine 30 is 1 by 2. Now here there could be one confusion that cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. Yeah, and again you are changing sign. So understand, cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. This theta could be any number. Okay. So first of all, cos minus theta equals plus cos theta, and after that you have to check whether this theta is you have to check that this theta is lying in which quadrant. Based on that quadrant, its final value will be decided. Okay, based on that its final value will be decided. So if you have understood, answer correctly. Very easy question. So let's see who is able to answer. Question: tan of minus 120 degree. Let's see who is able to give correct answer. Tan of minus 120 degree. Now many are giving correct, many are giving wrong also. Many I have given correct. I am very happy that so many people have given correct answer. It's a very moment of happiness. So many have given correct answer. Few are giving wrong also. So okay, let me do it. Okay. So first of all, remember tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. Okay. Acha, before solving it, let me tell you overall sign of the answer. Everyone look carefully. Before solving it, let me tell you overall sign of the answer. See, this is x-axis, y-axis. This is my reference axis. Okay. From this reference axis, I have to go 120 degree anti-clockwise, because I need minus 120 degree with respect to reference axis. I have to go 120 degree clockwise, not anti-clockwise, 120 degree clockwise, because negative angle clockwise. So when I go 120 degree clockwise, I am arriving in which quadrant? Third. So as I am arriving in third quadrant, answer will be positive or negative? Tell me fast. I need tan of minus 120 degree. Minus 120 degree means with respect to reference axis, I have to go what? Clockwise. So if I go 120 degree clockwise, I am reaching in which quadrant? Third. In third quadrant, tan is positive or negative? Positive. So my question is, without solving question, are you convinced about the sign of the answer, whether it will be positive or negative? Without solving question, are you convinced with the sign of the answer that it is necessarily going to be positive? Are not negative, positive. Bhai, see, if you go 120 degree anti-clockwise, you will reach in which quadrant? Third. In third quadrant, tan is what? Positive. Tan is what? Positive. Okay. So I hope you must have understood. Now let's do question. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. So let's do minus tan 120 degree. Okay, minus as it is. 120 degree is an angle. Okay, first of all, let me write it like tan 90 plus 30. Tan 90 plus 30. Now 90 plus 30 is a angle of what? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan will be what? Negative. So minus is there. One more minus will come. I am using 90 plus something. So tan will be converted to its what? Cot. So cot and 30 degree. Acha, this minus multiplied with this minus becomes what? Plus. Cot 30 is reciprocal of tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So cot 30 will be what? Root 3. So answer will be plus root 3. Okay. So I hope everyone must have understood that just by this observation, I can say that answer is going to be positive. Okay. Write fast. Acha, explain again. Someone is saying explain again. So very simple. First of all, tan minus 120. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. So tan of minus 120 is minus tan 120. Minus remains outside And how to find tan 120? Last two lecture we discussed this only. I wrote 120 as 90 plus 30 degree. 90 plus 30 is an angle of second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan will be what? Negative. When I use 90 plus theta, ratio gets converted to its complementary. So tan becomes what? Cot. Minus here, minus minus becomes what? Plus. And cot 30 is reciprocal of tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 3 will be what? Root 3. Okay. So answer will be plus root 3. Now, I am asking few questions. Yesterday I told you maximum value of sine theta is plus 1. What is maximum value of sine theta? Plus 1. And minimum value of sine theta is minus 1. It means our sine theta must always lie between minus 1 and plus 1. Means it is impossible to get any value of sine more than 1 or less than minus 1. So I am writing few things. You have to tell me whether it is correct or not. So I will be putting cross for incorrect and tick for correct. Okay. Sine theta equals 7 by 8. Correct or incorrect? Possible or not? Let me rewrite it. Sine theta equals 7 by 8. Is this correct or incorrect? 7 by 8. Someone is saying incorrect. Now it is correct. 7 by 8 is less than 1. Nah? 7 by 8 is what? Less than 1. So it is possible. It is correct. Okay. Next. Sine theta is equal to 3 by 2. Correct or incorrect? Sine theta equals to 3 by 2. Correct or incorrect? No. 3 by 2 means 1.5. 3 by 2 means 1.5. 1.5 is not allowed for sine. Maximum it can go up to what? Plus 1. So it is incorrect. Okay? Incorrect. Next. Sine theta is equal to minus 3. Correct or incorrect? Sine theta equals minus 3. No, yes, it is also incorrect. No, because sine theta can only go up to minus 1. It cannot go beyond minus 1. Okay, so it is wrong, not possible. Okay, now next you answer. Sine theta equals 0. Correct or incorrect? Sine theta equals 0. Possible or not possible? Yes. Sine can be 0. 0 is lying between minus 1 and plus 1. Correct. Let's see who gives last answer correct. Okay. Sine theta equals pi. Correct or incorrect? Correct or incorrect? Incorrect. Pi is 3.14. Nah? Pi is 3.14. 3.14 is more than 1. Not possible. Not possible. Understood? Acha, if you understood all these things, just tell me one basic thing. Okay. You understood all? Write it. Completed? Okay. Now tell me, suppose I have 10 sine theta. How much? 10 sine theta. Now, maximum value of sine is 1. If I multiply 1 with 10, overall answer becomes what? 10. Overall answer becomes what? 10. Minimum value of sine is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied with 10 becomes what? Minus 10. So for this expression, maximum value is plus 10 and minimum value will be what? Minus 10. So let's generalize. If we have y equals a sine theta, who will tell me maximum and minimum value of a sine theta? Y equals a sine theta. What are minimum and maximum value? Maximum value of y and minimum. Good. Yes, plus a and minus a, just like previous one na. In the place of 10 you are having what? A. So answer is plus 10 or minus 10. Okay, sorry, plus a, sorry, plus a minus a, not 10. 10 is not used here na. Plus a and minus a. Okay, done. Now we will discuss the graph of cos theta. Okay, important graph. Let's continue. Done up to here. Graph of cos theta. Okay, (90°), 180°, 270°, 360°. Okay, remember here cos theta, here theta. Graph starts from here. Now the question is, okay, now the question is, will graph end here? Answer is no. The same graph will be continued because ratios are repeated after what? 360. Okay, so this is plus 1 and this value is what? Minus 1. Now everyone understand one thing, that 0 to 90 is which quadrant? First quadrant. In first quadrant cos is what? Positive. 90 to 180 is which quadrant? Second. In second cos is what? Negative. 180 to 270 is third quadrant. In third quadrant also cos is what? Negative. 270 to 360 is which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos is positive. You can see. Okay, so this is graph of cos. Now same thing, maximum value of cos theta is also plus 1. What is the maximum value of cos theta? Plus 1. Okay, and minimum value of cos theta is minus 1. So cos theta also lies between plus 1 and minus 1. Cos theta also lies between plus and minus 1. So range of cos theta is between minus 1 and plus 1. So range of cos theta is between minus 1 and plus 1. Okay, so maximum value is plus 1, minus value is minus 1. Okay, write it fast. Done. Now one important concept of trigonometry I am discussing. It will be used in 1 or 2 chapters, not very much used, but 2-3 chapters next concept will be used. So listen carefully. This completed. So you have to tell me that quadrant sign, is it clear from this graph? From this graph, is it clear to you that cos is positive in which quadrant and negative in which quadrant? First quadrant positive, fourth quadrant positive, second and third it is what? Negative. Okay, okay, now let's continue. See, if y equals a cos theta, y equals a cos theta, who will tell me maximum value of y? A cos theta. Maximum value of cos is plus 1. So what is maximum value of y? Plus a. What is maximum value of cos theta? A cos theta plus a. Minimum value will be minus a. Write it. So for expression a cos theta, maximum is plus a value and minimum is minus a. Done up to here? Now, next thing that we are discussing, I will give you direct result for it. There is proof for it. If we get enough time, we will do proof in the next lecture. Okay? But I will tell you direct result. Okay? So write important concept of trigonometry. Okay, very important concept. It will be used somewhere. Suppose y is given by a sine theta plus b cos theta. Y is given by a sine theta plus b cos theta. If you keep on changing thetas, value of first term will change, value of second term will also what? Change. So overall expression's value will change. Now, at some particular angle, overall this will give you some maximum value. Okay, so I will write at some, which angle I also don't know. I know, but no need of knowing at this stage. At some angle theta, y will be maximum. What will be that angle? No need of knowing it. At some theta, y will be what? Maximum. And maximum value of y from here is given by, no, it is not at 45 degree. No. By if it was at 45 degree, I would have said, na. Someone is saying that this result will be maximum at 45 degree. No, this is not maximum necessarily at 45 degree. Otherwise, I would have said it to you. Okay. So this is maximum at some value theta. And maximum value is given by plus of under root of a square plus b square. So maximum value of this expression is under root of a square, not a plus b, not a plus b, not a plus b, under root of a square plus b square. And minimum value is given by minus of under root of a square plus b square. Okay, write it. So maximum value of this expression is given by plus under root of a square plus b square, and minimum value is given by minus of under root of a squared plus b squared. Write it fast. So I am going to give one question. Try doing it. Done, completed. Okay. Question is like this. Y is equal to 3 sine theta plus 4 cos theta. Find maximum and minimum value of y. So you have to find maximum and minimum value of y. Good, good. People are giving correct answer. It makes me very happy. Yes, yes, yes. So let's go for y maximum. Y maximum will be plus under root of a. A is 3 and b is what? 4. Under root of 3 square plus 4 square. So y maximum will be my plus 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. 9 plus 16, 25. And under root 25 will be what? 5. So maximum value is plus 5. Now you can see here minimum value is negative of maximum value. Minimum value is negative of maximum value. So minimum will be negative of 5, that is minus 5. Write it. One more question of this kind. Done. Okay. Question is, y equals 10 root 3 sine theta plus 10 cos theta. Find y max and y minimum. Find the minimum and maximum value of y. 10 root 3 sine theta and 10 cos theta. Good, good. Acha, yesterday many people were talking about CBSE result today, this, that, they. So are you having CBSE result today? So yesterday many people were talking about this class ends at 12:30. Someone is asking. No, no result today. Okay. Do. Dragon is not active today. Dragon, Gokul T, these great peoples are not active today in the chat. Okay, so let's go for it. Okay. Y maximum equals under root of a square plus b square. Okay. So a is under root, 10 root 3 whole square plus 10 square. So y maximum will be under root of, see, 10 square will be what? 100. Root 3 square means root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 becomes what? 3. So 100 into 3 plus 10 square is what? 100. Now 100 into 3 is 300 plus extra 100. Okay. 300 plus 100 becomes what? 400. Under root of 400 is what? 20. Maximum is 20. So minimum will be negative of it. Okay. So y minimum is minus 20. Okay. Now we will discuss some new formulas in trigonometry. Okay. Gift classes, I don't know, I think it will end next week. Okay. Up to 8th or 9th. Done. Okay. Now write few important formulas in trigonometry. Now we are going to discuss few important formulas in trigonometry. Okay. Coming to first formula, sine A plus B. So basically, A and B are two angles. You are adding them. You got third angle. Okay. And you are finding sine. Okay. So formula says that sine A plus B is sine A into cos B, sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. Okay. So sine A plus B is sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. Now we are doing a sub case of it. Sub case means a specific formula. In sub case, I am taking A as A equal to B. Okay. So if I take A as B, I will get what? Sine A and B are equal. So in the place of B, I am writing what? A. So A plus A becomes what? 2A. So basically, I am giving you formula of sine 2A. Now what will I write? B is equal to A. So what will I write? Sine A into cos A plus cos A into sine A. So sine A plus cos A sine A. Both terms are same. What are both terms? Sine A cos A. This is also sine A cos A. So if you add same quantity two times, you will get double of it. So answer will be 2 sine A cos A. Very important formula used in physics at so many places. Okay. So sine 2A is 2 sine A cos A. So first one is general formula, sine A plus B. What is sine A plus B formula? Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. If I put B also equal to A, so A plus B becomes 2A and formula of sine 2A is 2 sine A cos A. Okay. Second, sine A minus B. Everything same, just you put minus here. Okay. So sine A minus B is sine A into cos B minus cos A into sine B. Write these two formulas. Acha, here, if here A equals B, you will get 0. Sine 0 is 0, na? Why you need formula? Someone is saying, here if I take A and B equal, so A minus A 0, sine 0 will be 0. Formula will tell you same thing. Okay? Now we will do formula of cos. So copy it fast. Okay. Now we'll do formula of cos. Which formula? Let's see. Third, cos A minus B, so A plus B. See the formula carefully first. Formula of cos A plus B is cos A into cos B. Cos A into cos B minus comes. Remember, when you are using plus, what comes here? Minus. Sine A into sine B. So formula of cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sine A into sine B. Okay. Now let's go for sub case or special case when A equals B. Okay. When A equals B, if you put B as A plus A becomes 2A. So we will get cos of 2A. Now, formula is very simple. See, understand. In the place of B, if you write A, Cos A into cos A becomes what? Cos square A. Okay. Minus sine A into sine A becomes what? Sine square A. So this is one formula. Okay. This is what? One formula. Now understand one thing. We can write this formula in two more manner. We can write this formula into two more manners. Understand what I am using. I will tell inside, but I will write the formula directly. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equals what? 1. So you can write sine square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. Sine square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So when I substitute sine square theta as 1 minus cos square theta, I will get one more formula that I am writing. Cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. Cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. Or you can do opposite here. Instead of sine cos, you send sine on this side. So you can also write cos square theta as 1 minus sine square theta. So when you substitute cos square a as 1 minus sine square a, you get third version. So cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared a. Write it. All this is in math, but they will be used in physics. That's why we are discussing now. Someone is writing that this chat box is more interesting than many of the K-dramas. Means see the level of comment coming in the chat. Someone is saying this chat box is more interesting than many of the K-dramas or many of the Bollywood movies or Tollywood movies also. Okay, I like this kind of fun, but not during lecture, na. Many love stories are also going on here. Someone is writing. Okay, write fast. Write it. I need, after every 10 minutes of study, I should be giving 30 to 40 seconds of these comic punches also. Someone is asking my acha, but today I am missing dragon and couple of more people. Write fast. Completed. Acha, see here. We will come to fourth formula, but before that, everyone feel okay. Later on we will do. First of all, let's come to fourth formula. Cos of a minus b. Now you are having a minus b. When you have minus here, here you will get plus. So cos a into cos b plus sine a into sine b. So plus sine a into sine b. Write it. Graph is only for sine cos. Important graph I discussed. Graph in physics, we need graph only for sine and cos. No other graphs are required in trigonometry. Write it fast. So basically I gave you four formula. Okay. Four major formula I gave you. Sine a plus b, sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. From first formula we make sine 2a as 2 sine a cos a. Then I gave you sine a minus b, which is sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Next I gave you cos a plus b formula, which is cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. From this cos formula we made three formulas of cos 2a. Cos 2a is cos square a minus sine square a, which is same as 2 cos square a minus 1, which is 1 minus 2 sine square a. And last one is cos a minus b. Okay. which is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now, using these formula, we will do wide varieties of question. First question, I need sine 15 degree. My question, can I write 15 degree in the form of addition or subtraction of two standard angles? Formulas of tan, cot, sec, coses are there, but we don't need it. Formula of tan is there, but I don't need it. Can anyone tell me how to express this 15 degree either in addition or subtraction form of standard angle? Okay, yes. Someone is saying 45 degree minus 30 degree. Yes. So in the place of 15, write sine 45 degree minus 30 degree. Now, it is sine of A minus B. Now it is sine of A minus B. As it is sine A minus B, apply the formula of sine A minus B. What is formula? Sine A cos B. So sine 45 degree into cos 30 degree. Sine A cos B minus sine will come. Minus cos A. What is cos A? 45 into sine B. What is sine B? 30 degree. Okay. Now substitute values. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 degree is also 1 by root 2. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. So basically I got 2 root 2 in denominator and root 3. Root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Now, as the denominators are same, calculation becomes or very simple. So 2 root 2 in denominator, root 3 comes here, minus 1 comes here. Okay. So final answer I am writing sine 15 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Now, I am asking one thing. By applying the concept of complementary ratio, tell me sine 15 will be same as value of cos for which angle? Just answer. By using the concept of what? Complementary ratio, tell me sine 15 degree must be same as value of cos for which angle? 75. Yes, 15, 75 are complementary angles, sine cos are complementary ratio. Okay, so sine 15 degrees same as cos 75. So using complementary concept, I know that for complementary angle, sine and cos are equal. That's why they are called as complementary ratio. Okay. So what is complementary angle of 15 degree? 75. So sine 15 degree is same as cos 75 degree, which is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So sine 15 is equal to cos 75 degree, which is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. You will justify it just in next step. Okay, write it. Let's justify it whether we are getting the same answer or not. I will tell you how. First of all, copy it. Okay, I hope you have completed. Okay, now we will find cos 75. Let's see how. Cos 75 degree. 75 can be written as 45 degree plus 30 degree. So write it as cos 45 degree plus 30 degree. Apply formula of cos and prove the result. Apply formula of cos. Formula here I have told. Here cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Use this formula and justify, you are getting same answer. Uno, how can we play Uno now? Come to institute, bring Uno card deck, we will play Uno here. Not now. Someone is saying let's play Uno. Confirm, apply formula of cos. Are you getting same answer? No, there is no evening class. Today all classes in morning. Same answer. Let's see. What is cos A plus B formula? Cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. We got root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. You are getting same. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So we justified it. So I am writing the same thing. Sine 15 degree is same as cos 75 degree and both are equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. One more question I am giving you. Do Acha, you are continuously attending lecture from morning, na? So 4 hours continuous watching screen is a difficult. So I will leave in some time. Do not panic. In some time I will leave. Few more questions because we have already done almost everything. Something is remaining. We will discuss in the next lecture. Okay? And in 4, 5, 10 minutes means I will leave you for 4, 5 minutes earlier. Someone is saying I like you, sir, for this. Love, when I teach you don't like. When I leave you early, you like me. Okay, let's continue. Everyone do this formula. Question. Cos 15 degree. 15 you can write 45 minus 30 degree. Do. Cos 15 degree. Find cos 15. Good. Someone has Uno flip game. Uno, housey, tambola, everything I will play. First come here. Answer. Do. Write 15 degree as 45 minus 30. Yes. Many are giving correct answer. Okay, so let's see. We can write it as cos 45 degree minus 30 degree. Okay. Now cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So cos 45 degree into, sorry, cos A cos B into sin, अरे भाई, cos A cos B into cos 30 degree plus sin A sin 45 degree into sin B sin 30 degree. Okay, cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So what do I get? Root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, when you add, it is very simple. So what do we get? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, it is equal to cos 15 degree. Again you have to tell me, by complementary ratio concept, value of cos 15 will be same for what angle in sine? Again using same concept of complementary, value of cos 15 will be same for what angle in sine? 75. Yes, so you can also write it as sine 75 degree. Okay, so sine 75 cos 15 both are equal using complementary concept. Which concept? Complementary concept. Okay, so you can write it. Completed. Okay. Hi, you can come. Okay. Now, should I discuss couple of more formula? Or should I leave? Acha, Gokul has arrived. I was missing badly. You, Gokul. Gokul has arrived all of a sudden. Okay. So should I continue or 5 minutes are there? Should I leave you? Nah, I was missing you means every day I see your messages, nah? Okay. So, okay, now I am not teaching anything. If you have doubt, ask. Okay. You can ask doubts. No, doubts you can ask. I am not leaving. Doubts. Those who are having any kind of doubt, ask. Free. Just someone is asking. Okay. Any doubt, any confusion? I am from Uttar Pradesh. Someone is asking from which state you are. Tan formula I didn't teach, na? Tan, leave it. Acha, tan 15 you can find. How? Someone is asking tan 15. Tan 15 degree, it will be sine 15 degree by cos 15 degree. Sine 15, cos 15, both you know. Find tan 15. Okay? Is it clear how to find tan 15? Weekend exam will be full trigonometry. Full. If there is weekend exam, full trigonometry. Write it. I don't remember names, but by face, okay. Name I don't, Gokul, name I don't know, by face I must be knowing. Completed? Any doubt? Answer is not 1. Answer is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Anything else? Any doubt? I also feel that continuous 4 hours watching screen is very painful. Okay, so that is all for today. Okay, that is all. If you have any doubt, ask it. I'm here. You can rationalize. You can rationalize. You can do rationalization. It is your choice. You can do rationalization. Okay. Hey, bhai. Dheeraj, why are you trying to act so smart? Okay. Bye bye. Tan graph not required. Bye bye. Enjoy.